Hi guys, welcome back and thanks for tuning in. In this episode, I'm gonna talk you through how to deal with water spotting. Water spots are the leftover of minerals when beads dried out on your paintwork after evaporation. It's not only a coating issue. Remember, when you have small beads on, for example, a black bonnet, this will work like a magnifying glass. It will dry out quicker and the panel will heat up much faster. We can easily categorize water spotting in 3 types. Type 1, which is the one that is easy removable with a hot wash and some degreasing agent. Type 2, where you will need a hand polish or a dedicated water spot remover. And a Type 3 that will need actually machine polishing, and in some cases it will etch the clear coat and you will not be able to remove it. After we have washed this bonnet, there are still some mineral deposits left that we couldn't remove with hot water and a degreasing agent. So I'm gonna tackle it with a water spot remover and I will show you how I do it. I like to put a lot of product on my towel and I like to use a short nap fiber. So I have a lot of surface contact of my product doing the work on the minerals. So I will soak the towel, put a couple of spritzes on the bonnet, and now I will move in a straight direction to have good surface contact area of my product. I'll let it sit for a while, let the product do its work, but then it's important after you wipe off, take prep with a fresh towel, spray prep on your panel to remove the leftover residue that is still on your paintwork. In some cases, one hit will not be enough. Inspect your work and repeat it if necessary. Although we managed to remove these light water spots, in this case, we didn't take away the cause. And in many cases, the cause is hard water. So a great advice I can give you, check your water hardness to avoid heavy water spotting in the future. Okay, we are done with this episode. I hope you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Ciao.